Hey guys, we're back in the doghouse today. Today we're going to just button up a couple little things on the inside of the cab, and then we're going to assemble the box just to see what kind of work we have to do on it and try to get a little bit more progress done on the truck. Anyway, I got Keith in the truck where he can stay out of trouble, and I'll be out here supervising. Anyway, hang around guys, see what nonsense we can come up with today, and surely to God we won't get hurt. Yeah, that's what she said. Well, we got things tidied up inside the cab, and so now we're just laying out the box, see which sides are the best, because I got two boxes. We're just trying to figure out what parts are the best, and then we'll do whatever work has to be done. But this here looks good. This is the new one I bought, but this here is all Swiss cheese. This one here's got a couple bangs in it, but there's no holes in it. I got some stuff to repair here. Well, it's already repaired metal-wise, but I got to do some body work on it, a little bit of straightening, so I don't know which one I'll use. The sides are good. They're all the gray ones are the ones I bought. The blue ones are the original ones. And in general, they're not that bad. All the holes you see in the arc, that's for the fender. So I got a little bit of work here and there to do. And this is the front of the box. Both of them are in pretty decent shape. Passenger side, same thing. Couple little holes here and there. There's one hole here. It's about the size of the truck. I have no idea how that would get so bad there, but yeah, pretty bad. But I was thinking of either covering over that, or I'll just take the dog leg off the other truck side, this one here. There, just take this dog leg off and put it on the other one. Whichever is the easiest, that's the route I'm going to take. And then whatever side I don't use, I'm going to paint that up. And that's where I'm going to put all my signs. But anyway, guys, stick around. We'll put this together and see what we come up with. Right, Keith?
Right, Andy.
Well, we got the box together. We decided what parts we're going to be using. Got everything all lined up. Looking good. So the next step is to figure out where all the cross members go on the truck. And we put this or tear this all apart again, and then do a little bit of welding on it, because I got extra holes. I'm going to use my my bullet bolts that I made a long time ago. You guys saw them before. I think they're really cool. Yeah, so anyway, we got all these cross members here that we got to put on the truck. I don't know how they go, but I guess I got to figure it out. I'll see if anybody has a video on where they go, because one thing I can't understand is that I got a hump where the rear axle is, and I don't know how these are good. The cross members kind of get me up that high, because they're not that big. They're not that high. So anyway, I got to figure that out. Either that or Keith has to figure it out. Yours is on the wheel. I guess those are all yours.
No, this is mine.
Yeah, well, anything over there is yours.
That's right.
Mine's elsewhere.
Doesn't matter, there's lots over there.
Yeah, we got a whole vault full. Yeah.
We're good to go.
Yeah. So anyway, if you guys know of of where these cross members go, I'd appreciate it if you could let me know. Just make my job a little bit easier. And then tomorrow, maybe Keith's might make Keith's job a little easier too.
Yeah.
Keith likes an easy job.
Sure. Once in a while.
Yeah. So I think I'll take tomorrow off. I got a little job to do, get some money, and we'll continue on with this truck next week. Take the weekend off. Yeah. So anyway, thanks for hanging around, guys. I appreciate it, and we'll talk to you next time. Remember, keep wrenching, keep having fun, be safe. Bye now.
Bye now. Yeah. Sorry, I was like, what is he trying to do?